So yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening everyone. So in this class we are going to see now. In this class we are going to see now how to find out time complexity because some people are doing mistakes. In the class I identified some students are doing mistakes, so I want to rectify. So I am taking this class. I want to rectify what mistakes our students are doing. So I'm going to do it now. I'm going to do it now. Right? See once. Yeah, good evening. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening, Johan. Good evening, especially Johan. This class is for you only. Just wait. I am facing some technical issue. Just wait. Just give a few minutes. Just wait. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Just give me 1 minute. Some technical issue I am facing. Yeah, I think now it's fine. I hope so. Let's check. Yeah. The purpose of today's class is I want to explain how to find out time complexity, right? So some small mistakes are going on. I want to rectify. So let me try one by one. The first one, yeah, hello Ria. The first one I want to say to you, see everyone, just some reason this kind. Start doing what is the time complexity of this program. So what is the answer? Time complexity of this program what? Those people who are watching, please try to give the answer. What is the time complexity of this program? I want answer from all of you. Please say what is the time complexity of this program. Johan, are you there? Johan, are you there? I already given answer, right? Arey Babi, I already given answer. You only not listening. What can I do? I already given answer for your problem. Please Google it out. You may find out something. You may find them in the right Quora. I mean, I'm not sure. I am not sure. That is the reason I am asking you. See in the Google. See in the Quora. Mostly you will find out. Right. Now, those people who are watching this class, please let me know what is the time complexity of this program. Please let me know what is the time complexity of this program. Arey Johan, are you there? For you only I took this class. Johan, are you there? For you only I took this class. Yeah, time complexity of this problem. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? So if I now say someone is saying, sir, while sharing your screen, you are not audible. Am I audible now? Am I audible now? Then how can you say while sharing your screen you are not audible? How you are? How can you say this? How can you say this? Yeah, I think everything is fine. So this is the first problem. This is the first problem. Let me. Oh, okay. Then very good. Very good. Looks nice. Then why mute button? Yeah. Now is it fine? Now it is fine. Check. I think now it's fine. Is it okay now? Right? So I can continue now. I'm continuing. I can continue now. I'm continuing. So there are some people who joined now only. So let me explain once again. Because of some technical issue, some people are joined now only. So let me explain once again. Let me explain. So the purpose of this class is I want to explain how to find out time complexity. The purpose of this class is time complexity finding. Some people are doing small mistake. I want to rectify those. I want to rectify. See the first problem. See the first problem. Time complexity finding. See the first problem. Time complexity finding. See the first problem. Problem number one. Problem number one. A of n. Problem number one. A of n. If n is less than or equal to 1, return n. Else return n square plus n plus 10. Yeah, this is the program. Forget about syntax. Forget about syntax. This is the program. This is the program. So what is the time complexity of this program? Can anyone say? This is the program. What is the time complexity of this program? Can anyone say? Time complexity of this program. Can anyone say? One program given, they are asking what is the time complexity. What is the time complexity of this program? Can anyone say? Many people know, but in our group, one student is asking me again and again. So that is the reason I am taking this class. Right? In our group, one student asking me again and again. That is the reason I took this class. Right? A of n, if n is less than or equal to 1, return n, else return n square plus n plus 10. What is the time complexity of this program? Because of no loop, time complexity is order of 1. You can write theta of 1 also. You can write constant of, right? You can write omega of 1 also. Big O of 1 or theta of 1, omega of 1. You can write whatever you want. Because of no loop, time complexity became constant. Because of no loop, time complexity became constant. Is there anyone who have doubt? If you have doubt, please let me know. If anyone having doubt, please let me know. Time complexity of this program, how much? That is the thing what people are asking. So the time complexity of this program is going to be order of 1. The time complexity of this program is going to be order of 1. Anyone having any doubt? Check if anyone having doubt. Yeah, if theta there means big O, right? Theta, big O, omega, all the things will come. True, exactly. Exactly true. Check anyone having doubt? So Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Now let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. Can you see the next problem? Can you see the next problem? Example 2. Example 2. See the next problem. Example 2. A of n. Example 2. A of n. If n is less than or equal to 1, return n. Or return n square plus n plus 1. N square, return n square plus n plus 1. Else return, be careful, else return an by 2 plus n. Yeah. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? This is the example 2. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Sir, I am CSC student, which course is best? So what it means? Yeah, can you help me? If n is less than or equal to 1, return n square plus n plus 1, else return a of n by 2 plus n. Else return a of n by 2 plus n. Please let me know what is the time complexity of this program. What is the time complexity of this program? Please let me know. What is the time complexity of this program? Please let me know. If n is less than or equal to 1, return n square plus n plus 1. Else return a of n by 2 plus n. What is the time complexity? Can anyone help me? Can anyone help me? What is the time complexity of this program? Can anyone help me? What is the time complexity of this program? What is the answer? And one more thing I want to ask you, see this one. One more thing I want to ask, what is the time complexity of this program? So if you want to find out time complexity of any program, time complexity of a recursive program, if you want to find out, write the recurrence relation. Write the recurrence relation. Then answer T of n is equal to, time complexity recurrence relation. Tn is equal to, answer is constant, right? In the if part, if you observe no loop, right? So if n is less than or equal to 1, that is. Else, see this one, else. So recursion is recursion. A of n time complexity T of n, A of n by 2 time complexity T of n by 2. A of n by 2 time complexity T of n by 2. But remember, plus n is there, time complexity cannot be n. Plus n is there, time complexity cannot be n. Until unless loop is there, you cannot write plus n. So plus c, where c is constant. If n is greater than 1. You solve this one using master theorem or substitution method. You solve whatever way you want, right? So then you know very well how to solve. Time complexity is theta of, right? Log n. Time complexity theta of log n or big O of log n. You can apply master theorem. You can apply master theorem. You can apply master theorem. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Plus n is there, don't write plus n. Plus n is there, don't write plus n. Plus n is there, don't write plus n, because until unless loop is there, you cannot write n. If anyone say, sir, I will write n. If anyone say, I will write n, then in the previous problem, why you didn't return n? In the previous problem, why you didn't return n? See, in the previous problem, n square there, why you didn't return n square? In the previous problem, n square there, why you didn't return n square? Why you return theta of 1? Why you return theta of 1? In the previous problem, in this problem, n square there, why you didn't return n square? Why you return theta of 1? Similarly here also. Remember, recursion is recursion. An becomes an by 2. See this one. An means tn, an by 2 is tn by 2. An means tn, an by 2 means tn by 2. Right? So further there is no loops are there. So tn by 2 plus c if n is greater than 1. So if you solve that one using master theorem or recursive tree method or substitution method, whatever you want, you can use the master theorem, you can use the recursive tree, you can use the substitution method. You can use substitution method, you can use master theorem, you can use the recursive tree method. Theta of log n. Answer is theta of log n means big O of log n also, omega of log n also. Big O of log n also, omega of log n also. Everyone know what is the answer for this problem? Please let me know if anyone facing any problem. Please let me know if anyone is facing any problem. Yeah, let's move to the next problem. Let's move to the next problem. See the next problem. Example 3. Example 3. A of n, if n is less than or equal to 1, return n square. Else return a n by 2 into a n by 2 plus 1000 this. Then find out what is the time complexity of this program. Then find out what is the time complexity of this program. Then find out what is the time complexity of this program. Can you try now? Find out what is the time complexity of this program. Find out. So in our group, in our right subscriber group, one student is asking me again and again, because I cannot explain there, it is not possible. So I took one class, so that right, his doubts will be clear, because it is not possible to explain there. That is the reason I am explaining here. That is the reason I am explaining here. Right? The things which are possible, we will explain in the group. The things which are possible, we will explain in the group. If not possible, I will take the class like this, I will explain. If not possible, I will take the class like this, I will explain. So in our group, one of the student asking this doubt. Sir, what is the time complexity of this program? Right? Johan is asking this doubt. That is the reason I thought of explaining this. So please, right, please keep on asking doubts. My request to everyone, those people who subscribed, if you have any doubt, please keep on ask. Don't keep doubts inside your brain. If possible, we will explain them in the group itself. If possible, we will explain them in the group itself. If not possible, we will take the class like this, we will explain. If not possible, right, we will take the class like this, we will explain. Right, the people who subscribed, the people who are already subscribed, my sincere request, you are already taken the subscription. By trusting us, you taken the subscription. Any subject, if you have any doubt, my request is please ask in the group. Don't sit idly. Please ask in the group. Right, majority people, I felt so happy today. Many people are asking, because of today Saturday, Sundays, right? Saturday, Sunday, no classes are there in the EPT. In EPT, Saturday, Sunday, no classes are there. Only exam and doubts. Saturday, Sunday, only exam and doubt. So many doubts are going on. From morning onwards, I am able to see all doubts only. From morning onwards, I am able to see all doubts only. I felt so happy. Right? Keep asking all doubts. My sincere request, please ask every doubt. Whatever doubt you have, you can ask. If possible, we will explain in the group itself. If not possible, we will take the special, right? We will take the class like this and we will explain. It is the doubts class. Right? We will take the doubt class, we will explain. Now, can you see what is the time complexity of this program? Can you see what is the time complexity of this program? A of n time complexity T of n. A of n time complexity T of n. A of n time complexity T of n. Now, if that is the case, because of here no function call, see this one. Here no loop is there, no function call also there. So constant. Now, if you see the else part, remember in the recursive program, the important part is else part. In the recursive program, important part is else part only. Now see the answer. Recursive program time complexity if you want to find out. Recursive program time complexity if you want to find out. Write the recurrence relation. Recursive program time complexity if you want to find out. Write recurrence relation for time complexity. See how I am writing? Tn is equal to, everyone listen. So A of n time complexity T of n, A of n by 2 time complexity T of n by 2. A of n by 2 time complexity T of n by 2. Remember, recursion is recursion. But if you see the other thing, no loop is there, nothing. So finally, A of n by 2 time complexity T of n by 2. A of n by 2 time complexity T of n by 2. T of n by 2. T of n by 2. Let me write. Right, 2 an by 2s, so 2 ttn by 2s are there. Further, no loop, nothing, so constant. It will become 2tn by 2 plus constant. It will become 2tn by 2 plus constant. It will become, solve this one using master theorem or substitution method or recursive tree method. Use whatever method you want. It will become order of n or theta of n. Solve this one using any method. Solve this one using any method. Time complexity became theta of n. Time complexity became theta of n. I hope this problem also clear. So remember, first recursive call will take tn by 2. Second recursive call will take tn by 2. So remaining no loops, nothing is there. So 2tn by 2 plus c. 2tn by 2 plus c. Right? That is the answer for this. I hope everyone got it. So SK, right? You are also asking doubts in the group, right? SK, you are also asking doubts in the group. I felt so happy. SK, keep on asking doubts. SK, keep on asking doubts. I felt so happy. Today, entire day, all the people are keep on asking doubts. I felt so happy. Whatever doubts are there, SK. SK, whatever doubts are there, keep on asking. Keep on asking. If possible, we will help in the group itself. If not, we will take the classes like this. Yeah. What if there is a star in place of first place? That is a place, that is a star only. Everything star only. Right. Let me go for one more problem. 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 See this. One more problem. Can you see this one? I think previous one is example 3. Now example 4. Previous one is example 3. Now example 4. Yeah, that is only for subscribers. Shivam, that is only for subscribers. Those people who subscribed our course, only for them. Right? That is only for them. Right? I cannot add everyone there. Right? Next one. See the example. Example 4. A of n. A of n. If n is less than or equal to 1, if n is less than or equal to 1, return n square minus n plus 27. Else return, it is a very interesting one. Else return, see this one. Else return an by 2, right? This one. Else return an by 2 into an by 2 plus an by 2 into, right, into n cube. Into, right, let me write now. N cube. End of the program. Right? Return an by 2 plus an by 2 into an by 2 plus an by 2, right? Plus n cube. Plus n cube. This is the thing. So what is the time complexity of this program? Similar story. Can you see one time? Similar story. Write the recurrence relation for time complexity. Write the recurrence relation for a time complexity. A of n time complexity T of n, A of n time complexity T of n, A of n by 2 Tn by 2. Next one. This A of n by 2 also Tn by 2. This A of n by 2 also Tn by 2. Further, no loop is there, nothing there, constant. This will goes to 3Tn by 2 plus C, because no loop, nothing. Right? Because of 3 function call, 3Tn by 2 plus C. So using substitution method, using master theorem, using recursive tree method, you can use any one. Solve this one. I think master theorem you can apply. F of n is constant. N power log a base b is n power 1.5. So answer is theta of n power 1.5. Right? Answer is theta of n power 1.5. I hope you got this also. Someone is saying, but we will multiply. Remember everyone, whether you multiply, whether you subtract, whether you add, time complexity for all these operations constant. Right? Time complexity taken by loops only. Loop is there or not, that is the only thing which matters. Loop is there or not, that is the only thing which will matters. Right? If I want to add 2 number, time complexity constant. If I want to multiply 2 number, time complexity constant. If I divide 2 number, time complexity constant, because addition also one operator, multiplication also one operator, subtraction also one operator, division also one operator. Yeah, time complexity means loops only. Yeah, if you write as it is, that is called value. Many people don't know this. Many people don't know. If you join other than EPT, I'm really saying they may mislead you. If you join other than EPT, they may mislead you. Many people don't know this. They don't touch also this one. They don't touch also this one. Please careful. Please careful. Please careful. This is the fourth problem. This is the fourth problem. Can you see the fifth problem? Can you see the fifth problem? See this one. One more trap. A of n, if n less than or equal to 1, return n, else return. See the beauty, see the beauty here, see the beauty here, see the beauty here. 5 an by 2 plus 3 an by 2 3 an by 2 plus n square. End of this program. What is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? Again same. See, what is the time complexity of this program? Again same. Then what is the answer? Write the recurrence relation for a time complexity. Write the recurrence relation for a time complexity. So I am writing T of n is equal to T of n is equal to. So remember this an by 2 will take Tn by 2. This an by 2 will take Tn by 2. Remaining will take constant time. See, this will take Tn by 2. This will take Tn by 2. These all are traps. This will take constant. Multiplying one number will take this will take constant. So finally answer is 2Tn by 2, Tn by 2, Tn by 2, 2Tn by 2 plus constant. So if you solve this one 2Tn by 2 plus constant, it will become using master theorem or substitution method theta of n. That is the answer for this problem. That is the answer for this. It is a trap. It is a trap. Arey Shivam, you are doing everything wrong, man. Arey Shivam, you are doing everything wrong, man. Sir, what if function returns? Of course, function returns. Function returns. What if function return? Of course, function will return. Function cannot return in between. At the end only it will return. At the end only it will return. An by 2. An by 2. An by 2 returning value, right, will goes to 5 into that value. An by 2 return something. That will be there at the 5 into that. 3 into that. Arey boss, then where you went, man? Arey boss, arey Johan, where you went? Because of you I took the class, you went somewhere. Because of you I took the class, but you went somewhere. It's the first problem, it's the second problem, it's the third problem, it's the fourth problem, it's the fifth problem. You came to fifth problem and you were asking. Because of you only I took the class, you went outside. Then how it is my mistake? Yeah. Again, how I will explain. See this. After class over, check. For you only I explained. You didn't. You are not there. I'm keep on asking. Where is Rohan? Where is Johan? Where is Johan? I am keep on asking. Suddenly you came and you are asking the same doubt. Right? An by 2, Tn by 2. An by 2, Tn by 2. Next one, 5 into. So multiplication will take constant time. 3 into. Multiplication will take constant time. So 2Tn by 2 plus C. Finally, apply the master theorem. You will get the theta of n. Johan, see all the see from first problem. Johan, see from first problem. Johan, see from first problem, it is the fifth problem. See from first problem, you will get the idea. Right? You missed out something. You missed out something. Yeah, go to the next problem. Example 6. Example 6. Yeah, how to take subscription and how much does it cost? Right? I will, right? So, yeah, because of you are asking, so let me check once. Yeah, you can WhatsApp me, Shivam, you can WhatsApp me, right? I will help you. This is the WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us, right? We will help you, right? So this is the WhatsApp number. You can ping me. You can ping me, right? One new batch is started. In that batch, you can join. Really, it is a beneficial to you. Really, it is a beneficial. Really, it is a beneficial because you will get so many doubts. Who will explain you, right? So many doubts you will get. So many places you will mislead. Right, so because of Johan is asking, Johan, this doubt is not possible in the group. Johan, this doubt is not possible in the group. That is the reason I taken this class. Right, I said to you, I already said to you also, I will take, to solve this doubt, I will take the class. Johan, I said to you, to solve this particular doubt, I will take the class. I said to you, because it is not possible to explain in the group. Right, fine. See the example 6. See the example 6. Can you see this one? A of n. If n is less than or equal to 1, return n square. Okay. Now concentrate here. Now everyone listen. Everyone listen. One more trap is coming. 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 Can you see this one? Return. See this one. One more trap. See the one more trap, how it is coming. See this one. an by 2. Listen, an by 2 minus an by 2 minus, right, next one, I think plus maybe 2an by 2, right, next one, divide 4an by 2 plus see this one, plus see everyone listen, linear set of n, linear set of n, linear set of n. Please remember, linear set is the algorithm, right? So you know linear set algorithm. Linear set algorithm, inside one loop is there. Linear set of n, inside one loop is there. Everyone know linear set algorithm time complexity, right? Order of n. You know this. Linear set of n, linear set algorithm, right? Internally contain one loop. You know this very well. Now, what is the time complexity of this program? Can you see this one? What is the time complexity of this program? Can you see this one? If n is less than or equal to 1, return n square. See, no loop is there. No loop, so constant. So, yeah, and one more thing is, if case, don't think that much. Else part only important. If case, don't bother. Else case only important. Else case only important. Now see the answer. an by 2 time complexity tn by 2, 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 linear set will take n time. This is already there. So now see the answer. How many function call? 4 function call. So time complexity tn is equal to, because of 4tn by 2, so 4 function call 4tn by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 function call. Remaining all, see this one, remaining all, minus operation, plus operation, divide operation, into 4 operation, plus operation. Remaining all will take constant. Plus that linear set will take n time. That linear set will take n time. Then it will become 4tn by 2 plus n. I think if you solve this one using master theorem, substitution method you can do, master theorem also you can do, recursive tree method also you can do. If you do this, you will get the answer theta of n square. Answer is theta of n square. Answer is theta of n square. Loop is incrementing or decrementing. Is this effect of the time complexity? It is incrementing, decrementing, doesn't matter. Loop is how many times, that matters. Loop is how many times, that matters. Loop is how many times, that matters. Loop is how many times. Who cares about is it incrementing or decrementing? People care about how many times. People care about how many times. Right? It may be incrementing. Suppose starting value big, it is a keep on decrement. Starting value small, it is a keep on increment. It is a incrementing, decrementing, right? I don't care it is incrementing, decrementing. Loop is how many times it matters. Time complexity means loop only. Time complexity means loop only. So remember everyone, right? See this one new batch is starting. One new batch is starting. If you are GATE CSE 2025 aspirant, if you are GATE CSE 2025 aspirant, my suggestion is please start preparation as soon as possible. As soon as possible, please start. Otherwise, you will become victim. Otherwise, you will become victim. Please trust me. Otherwise, you will become victim. If you are a right GATE CSE or GATE DA, CSE or DA, CSE or DA. If you are GATE CSE or GATE DA aspirant, my suggestion is please start as soon as possible. If anyone not started, start now. At least start now. Otherwise, see, 1.5 lakh people are writing. 1.5 lakh people are writing. One huge competition. Huge competition. If you don't start now, you will become victim. So is one of my student. It is there in my YouTube, right? In my YouTube channel also available. In my YouTube channel also available. Is one of my student. We shared the classroom experience also. He said all my dialogues also. Right? He said all my dialogues also. He said all my classroom experience also. You can go and see my YouTube channel also. In my YouTube channel, you are able to find out his interview also. How he prepared. Right? This person, right? AIR1 and one more AIR1. Right? Abhinav also. Both the AIR1s. Right? Interview also available. Few days back I done. Please go and check. Last year his rank is 530. Now it became 1. Last year his rank is right 530. Now it became 1. So if you do nice work, right, you will get a lot of appreciation. Your teachers will get appreciation. Your parents will get appreciation. Your life will change. My sincere request is start as early as possible. Start as early as possible. I want to see your photo also next year like this. I want to see your photo also next year like this. Next year like this, I want to see your photo also. Your photo also I want to see next year this time. One new batch starting, you can join in that batch. So this is right. So if anyone want to join, so they can join from here. Right? So go to exampreptool.com. This one. Go there, go to exampreptool.com. From there you can subscribe or you can WhatsApp me, I will help you. But start as early as possible. Otherwise, you will become victim. Start as early as possible. Otherwise, you will become victim. And one more thing is, see this one. There are 13 subjects are there. There are 13 subjects. 13 subjects are available. You have approximately 10 months. Approximately 10 months. There are 13 subjects, approximately 10 months. So if you plan, right, you have to plan in such a way that 5 months for syllabus completion, 5 months for practice. This is for syllabus completion. This is for practice. Right? If you plan it properly, it is going to be happened. Plan it properly, then only it is possible. So 13 subjects, you have 10 months. 5 months for syllabus completion, 5 months for practice. And one more my suggestion is, in EPT one batch is starting. So August ending, we will complete syllabus. August end, syllabus will complete. August end, syllabus will complete. August end, syllabus will complete. And one more, every month 2 subjects. Some month 3 subjects, some month 2 subjects. See, now currently in the EPT, data structure is going on. Currently in the EPT, in the new batch, data structure is going on, aptitude is going on, operating system going on. Right? In 1 month 2 subjects, 1 month 3 subjects, 1 month 2 subjects, 1 month 3 subjects. Then syllabus over. Right? So one more, I think 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, maybe it is a 3 more. Right? So in the current batch, just a few days back, 2 days or 3 days back, this batch is started. So algorithm, right? Data structure is going on, operating system is going on, aptitude is going on. My sincere request is, if you are serious, you can join this. And right, so complete the syllabus August ending. Complete the syllabus August ending. Complete the syllabus August ending. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. It is the example 6. It is the example 6. Time complexity theta of n squared. Right? Now see this. One more problem is one. Example 7. Example 7. A of n. If n is less than or equal to 5000. So anyhow constant only. Return n square only for namesake. Else return. See this one, else return an by 2 divide an by 2 multiply an by 2 plus, right, plus, let's see this one. I am writing now matrix multiplication of n by n matrix. Right, now I want to ask you one small line. Now he will explain also. Whenever it is a function, he will explain. Remember, matrix multiplication of n by n. There are 3 for loops are there. They will give in the problem. There are 3 for loops. 3 for loops are there. Matrix multiplication, 3 inner for loops are there. He will give also. Whenever it is not recursion, it is a normal function, they will give code also. Whenever it is a normal function, they will give code also. Time complexity means indirectly, directly loops only. Time complexity means indirectly, directly loops only. Please careful. Time complexity means indirectly, directly loops only. Now see the answer. So an by 2 tn by 2, an by 2 tn by 2, an by 2 tn by 2. Last one is n cube. So finally, if you observe clearly this one, 3tn by 2 plus n cube. So if you use the substitution method, if you use the master theorem, if you go for recursive tree method, so time complexity became theta of n cube. Check properly. Yeah, it's notes enough. All exams are gate syllabus only. All exams are gate syllabus only. Bhavi recently, one day before, I done triple IT Hyderabad person interview. One day before. Can you see there? Bark exam. He is the Bark scientist. Triple IT Hyderabad also I done interview. Please check. Just notes only. Right, totally 7 problems. Please verify. These 7 problems, please verify. These 7 problems, please verify. This is a very tricky part. These 7 problems, please verify. It's a very tricky part. If anyone is not started, start at least now. If anyone not started, start at least now. Abhinav, AIR1 teaching 3 subjects. I am teaching 6 subjects. Mithali madam teaching 3 subjects. Nidhi madam teaching 2 subjects. Rohit sir is teaching 3 subjects. Rohit sir is teaching 1 subject. My sincere request, 1 or 2 subjects are repeating by 2 faculty, something like this. 1 or 2 subjects are, right, 2 faculty teaching. My sincere request is, right, if you are serious, please start. All are gate rankers. All are gate rankers. All are gate rankers. It will be really useful to you. Someone is saying n power log 3 base 2. Which one log 3 base 2? Let's check. Someone is saying n power log 3 base 2. This one. But one is n cube, na? N cube and n power log 3 base 2. Which one is bigger, yaar? Arey man. N cube and n power log 3 base 2. Which is bigger? N cube and n power log 3 base 2 is bigger, yaar. N cube bigger, na? Right. I hope this class will be useful to you. Right? Thank you so much. Those people who is not started the gate preparation, my sincere request is please utilize this wonderful opportunity. Start as early as possible. Start as early as possible. Whenever doubts are there, any student will ask doubt, right? We will take the doubt classes like this. If possible, in the group we will explain. If not possible, we will take the doubt class like this. Right? My suggestion is please keep asking doubts. My suggestion is please keep asking doubts. If you have doubt, please write. If you have doubt, please write. Please post in the group. Thank you. See you in the next class. Thank you. See you in the next class.